Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're going to just use Regex and we're going to create a string and we're going to search it for a word and we're going to say if that word's in the string or if it's not in the string. So first of all you have to do is import RE, which is Regex. And now we're going to create the text. So my text is equal to this is my string. Okay, and now we're just going to create a little function with some user input and then we'll search the string for a particular word. Search string. Okay, so we're going to create some user input here with entry, assign it to input, which is going to grab the user input, whatever the user types into the little text space. So enter a word to search for. Okay. Enter a word to search for, and then we're going to do a conditional. So if regex dot search, okay, we're going to put entry, so that's the word that you're going to put in. So let's say you want to search for is, you will type is into the entry box. That's the entry there, and my text. Okay, and then we're going to print word found. So if we find the word in the text, it will print out word found. If we don't find the word, we're going to use an else statement there. Print word not found. Okay, now we're just going to call it. So call it by search string. I'm going to search the string there. So all we have to do now is save this and run the program. So here we go. There we go. Enter a word to search for. Let's have a look at my text. So I'm going to enter my. We'll search for that. Word found, of course it is because it's in there. Okay, let's run it again and we'll type in another word that's not in there. Dave. Okay, so there we go. Word not found. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, drop me a comment if you want to, give it a thumbs up. Definitely hit that subscribe button, it'll help me out a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.